NAD Plus and GLP-1. Before we get started, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Understanding the basics, what are NAD Plus and GLP-1? NAD Plus and GLP-1 are two of the most talked about molecules in modern health science, especially in the fields of longevity, metabolism, and weight management. NAD+, which stands for nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, is a vital coenzyme found in every cell of the human body. It plays a critical role in energy production, DNA repair, and cellular communication. Without NAD+, basic biological processes would simply stop functioning. As we age, natural levels of NAD+ decline, which scientists believe contributes to fatigue, slower metabolism, and age-related diseases. GLP-1, on the other hand, is a hormone known as glucagon-like peptide 1. It is produced in the gut and helps regulate blood sugar, insulin release, and appetite. GLP-1 has gained massive attention due to medications like semaglutide and tirzepatide that mimic its effects to help people lose weight and control diabetes. 2. The role of NAD+ in cellular energy and longevity. NAD+ has become one of the most important molecules in anti-aging and wellness research. Every cell in the human body depends on NAD+ to convert nutrients into usable energy. It is directly involved in mitochondrial function, which is responsible for powering nearly all biological processes. When NAD+ levels are high, cells are able to repair themselves more efficiently, communicate better, and resist stress. Unfortunately, NAD+ levels naturally decrease as people grow older. By middle age, many individuals have lost more than half of their youthful NAD+ supply. This decline is linked to lower energy levels, cognitive decline, muscle weakness, and increased risk of chronic diseases. Scientists have discovered that boosting NAD+ through supplements such as N or NL may help slow aspects of aging and improve metabolic health. How GLP-1 controls appetite and blood sugar. GLP-1 is a naturally occurring hormone that plays a central role in human metabolism. It is released from the intestines after eating and sends signals to the brain and pancreas about how to handle incoming food. One of its main jobs is to stimulate insulin release so that blood sugar levels remain stable. At the same time, GLP-1 slows down digestion and reduces appetite, helping people feel full for longer periods. This powerful combination is why GLP-1 medications have become revolutionary treatments for obesity and type 2 diabetes. Drugs that mimic GLP-1 can reduce cravings, lower calorie intake, and improve the body's ability to use glucose efficiently. Natural ways to boost NAD+ and GLP-1 levels. Although medical treatments exist for both NAD+ and GLP-1, there are also many natural ways to support these systems. Lifestyle choices have a major impact on how much NAD+ the body produces. Regular exercise, especially high-intensity interval training, has been shown to raise NAD+ levels significantly. Calorie control and intermittent fasting also stimulate the body to recycle and regenerate NAD+ more efficiently. Certain foods, such as fish, dairy, mushrooms, and green vegetables, contain nutrients that help the body create NAD+. Quality sleep is another crucial factor because NAD+ production follows natural circadian rhythms. GLP-1 levels can also be improved without medication. Eating high-fiber foods, protein-rich meals, and healthy fats naturally triggers GLP-1 release from the gut. Avoiding highly processed foods and excess sugar prevents the hormonal disruptions that reduce GLP-1 sensitivity. Regular physical activity has been proven to increase natural GLP-1 response as well. Even simple habits like eating slowly and reducing stress can improve GLP-1 function. Medical therapies, NAD+ supplements, and GLP-1 medications. For individuals needing stronger interventions, modern medicine now offers targeted options for both NAD+ and GLP-1. NAD+ can be increased through supplements such as nicotinamide riboside, NA, and nicotinamide mononucleotide, NMN. These compounds act as building blocks that the body converts into NAD+. Many people report improvements in energy, mental clarity, and recovery after NAD+ treatments. Some clinics even provide NAD+ intravenous therapy, which delivers the molecule directly into the bloodstream for rapid absorption. GLP-1 therapies, on the other hand, are prescription medications designed to imitate the natural hormone. Drugs like Ozempic, Wegovy, and Mounjaro have changed the landscape of obesity treatment. They help patients lose significant amounts of weight while improving blood sugar control and cardiovascular health. Unlike fad diets or risky weight loss pills, GLP-1 medications are backed by years of scientific research. The combination of NAD+ supplementation and GLP-1 therapy is now becoming an area of interest among doctors who focus on metabolic health. The potential synergy between NAD+ and GLP-1. Scientists are beginning to explore how NAD+ and GLP-1 might work together to create even greater health benefits. NAD+ improves how cells produce and use energy, while GLP-1 helps control how much energy enters the body through food. When NAD+ levels are low, metabolism slows down and insulin resistance can develop. GLP-1 therapies help reverse this by improving insulin sensitivity and reducing overeating. At the same time, high NAD+ levels may enhance the body's response to GLP-1 by making cells more efficient and metabolically flexible. Some researchers believe that boosting NAD+ could reduce fatigue and muscle loss sometimes experienced during rapid weight reduction from GLP-1 drugs. Others suggest that improved mitochondrial function from NAD+ might help people maintain weight loss more easily. Although large clinical studies are still needed, the idea of combining cellular health strategies with hormonal therapies is extremely promising. The future of metabolic health and longevity. The growing interest in NAD+ and GLP-1 reflects a major shift in how people think about health. Instead of focusing only on symptoms like weight gain or fatigue, modern science is digging deeper into the biological mechanisms that cause these problems. NAD+ research is pushing the boundaries of longevity medicine, showing that aging may be slowed by protecting cellular energy systems. GLP-1 discoveries are transforming the treatment of obesity, proving that body weight is heavily influenced by hormones rather than just willpower. In the future, doctors may evaluate patients based on NAD+ levels, metabolic markers, and GLP-1 responsiveness to design highly personalized treatment plans. Wearable technology, advanced blood testing, and genetic insights will likely guide these decisions. New therapies may emerge that raise NAD+ more effectively or enhance natural GLP-1 production without injections. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching.